I'm a cornea and refractive surgeon here. So cornea andra black part of the eye, karigodu. So we treat any kind of infections. Karigodu mele ena belage tere agide infection ena bandide andre avagle bani. We treat all kinds of eye emergencies, eye infections. Nimgu kannu eno kaanstilla, kannu complete white agidanu. We have options, we have surgeries to take care of that. We have done so many surgeries where patients have no vision. Enandra light ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, next day cornea transplant ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, next day ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ faces ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So cornea is a very important organ of the eye. So any infection, any white opacity, anything, you can come and visit us. We can get the surgery as quickly as possible. And also refractive surgery. ನಿಮಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪವರ್ ಇದನೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪವರ್ ಇದನೋ, even up to -20 also, even if you have -1 power also, we have all kind of surgeries, LASIK, PRK, ICL. We will do certain tests and we'll advise you what is the best treatment possible for you, and we ensure that whatever power you have, we will make you glass free. Okay, so as Dr. Kanishk has said, we have best of the infrastructure to ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರೀಸ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಥರ ಕೊರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 15 minutes. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಇನ್, ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ವಿತಿನ್ 2 hours ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಿಚಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ slowest time also. So within 2 hours we can get your surgery done and you can reach home. So do consider us, and we are always welcome for any kind of eye issues. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ regional clinical head ಆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವಶ್ರೀ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್, kindly few words from you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Dr. Devashish. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for coming here. Little few words about our hospital in Marathalli. This is one of the best hospitals we've got. It is having all kinds of infrastructure and specialty services which are available. So there are multiple specialties like cornea, oculoplasty, retina, cataract services, glaucoma services. We are very proud to say that we have all specialties covered under one roof here. And we have extremely competent and experienced doctors for servicing or serving the patients here. And what I would say is we have all the technology which is available, the latest technology. And any patient who comes here, we make it a priority that we give him services which are to the best of our abilities, and we ensure that the patients, they return back home happy and satisfied. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
We need to check our eyes, at least children most important. They develop.
Namaskara, Dr. Devashish. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for coming here. A few words about our hospital in Marathalli. This is one of the best hospitals we've got. It is having all kinds of infrastructure and specialty services which are available. So there are multiple specialties like cornea, oculoplasty, retina, cataract services, glaucoma services. We are very proud to say that we have all specialties covered under one roof here, and we have extremely competent and experienced doctors
Thank you for coming here. Through your medium, we want to tell that we at Vasan Eye Care Marathalli have all the latest technology, all the departments for treating any kind of eye disorder which we face, from cornea to glaucoma, retina, cataract, oculoplasty. We have all the departments and all the latest technology available at our center. Please do come and get a checkup done. That's where we get to know the most of the diseases. Thank you so much.
We want to welcome you all, anybody who has any kind of eye problem, to Vasan Eye Care. Be it a small redness in the eye to something where you can't see at all, we will help you. We will try our best to give you